Hey everyone, my name is Oday. I'm a 3D environment and prop artist from Cairo, and what you're watching now is the trailer of my mini course Making Props Like a Boss, in which I divide it in 4 sections. The first would be modeling of low poly and high poly version. The second is UV unwrapping, in which I'm talking about the concept of UV unwrapping for better understanding and the proper ways of doing it and how to get the best case scenario every time. Then a full hour of texturing and creating all the materials and details from scratch, and some techniques to push details even further. And lastly, we would finish up in Marmoset and make portfolio worthy renders and shots. So I provide the reference images and models if you want to escape modeling part, as well as I provide the details image for texturing. So help support me first by liking and sharing this video, and you could grab the ultimate version of it for $5 on Gumroad, in which I would provide source files like Blender, Substance and Marmoset, so you could see closely my way of work and help to further understand it. So hope you enjoy it and learn things or two from it, and let's get started.